Hey there, ESL teachers. Are you looking for a fun and interactive way to reinforce vocabulary and spelling with your students? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to play a thrilling game called Alphabet Race. Alphabet Race is a fast-paced game where students race against the clock to write down words that start with each letter of the alphabet. It's perfect for all ages and levels of English proficiency. Here's how it works. Step 1. Divide students into teams. Form teams of 3 to 4 students each. You can have as many teams as you'd like, depending on the size of your class. Step 2. Set the timer. Choose a time limit for the game, typically 3 to 5 minutes per round, depending on the student's level. Step 3. Start the race. When you say, go, each team must work together to write down a word that starts with each letter of the alphabet. The words can be related to a specific theme or topic you've been studying. Step 5. When the time is up, call out, stop, and have all teams put down their pens. Go through each team's list of words together to check the answer. Award points for each correct word, and bonus points for originality and creativity. Declare a winner. Add up the points from each round to determine the winning team. You can play multiple rounds to give everyone a chance to participate and improve their vocabulary. Here are some tips to play Alphabet Race. Clear instructions. Explain the game objective. Writing words for each alphabet letter. Theme or category. Choose a topic for focused vocabulary. Time limit. Keep the game fast-paced with a reasonable time constraint. Encourage participation. Ensure all students actively contribute, rotating team members if needed. And there you have it, Alphabet Race. It's a fantastic game to energize your ESL classroom while reinforcing vocabulary and spelling skills. So, what are you waiting for? Give Alphabet Race a try with your students and let the fun begin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ESL teaching tips and games. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching!